Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this nail foil and stamp design. So I'm going to use the adhesive or glue for the foil. It's really quick drying. I really love it. I got it on Amazon. And then I'm going to use this hollow foil. I just thought it was so cute and perfect for this design. So I painted my nails with a base coat because I just thought I didn't really need to paint my nails with a color because I'm going to cover it with the foil. And I'm going to apply a thin layer of glue. I kind of went a little crazy, so I had to take off some of the glue off the brush and apply a thin layer. The thinner the layer is, the faster it dries. And then I'm going to apply the foil. Now I'm using my 2 fingers because what I like to do is I like to stretch the foil out so that there's no kind of creases in it. I like it to be smooth so that my whole nail is completely covered with it. I'm using this cuticle pusher because I just thought it would be perfect to use to apply the foil onto my nails. Make sure that the foil is completely covered your nails. So go around the sides of your nails and everything to make sure it's completely covered. Once I was done, I removed the foil from my nails. Now I kind of messed up right there, but I fixed it. Don't worry about that. And I'm going to apply a nail stamp design. I could have left it on its own. It's really pretty on its own, but I like to go the extra mile. And I always think that adding a stamp design onto the foils just bring the foil out more. So I really do like adding that aspect. Now I'm going to use this Born Pretty BPL 093 nail plate. They sent this to me. I love it. It has a bunch of abstract nail designs like this one. This is kind of like a water marble look, and I thought it would be so perfect on top of the foil. I just loved how it all came out. So I applied it onto my nails. It really is cute. I applied the black. I thought applying a black stamp design would come out so cute. And I love that through the black, the hollow is still, you can still see it, but it's like different colors to it. It's kind of like a disco ball. And once that was done, I removed the liquid latex and I applied a quick dry top coat. I love how this design came out. I hope you did too. I hope I made it really easy and simple for you guys to recreate if you want. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.